Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Welcome to our series on Form 1010C, the Small Business Administration's business plan template. And we're going to go over each question. Stay tuned. Having a well-defined business plan is your invitation or ticket to the world of financial assistance in both banking or through a grant program. Having this completed will open doors that you would not have otherwise been able to open. And we're going to take this series as a tool to go through each question on this form so that you can effectively get everything right the first time through. Section 3 is your business plan or your business environment. This is where the Small Business Administration wants you to detail or demonstrate knowledge of the segment of the industry that you're trying to get into. It wants to know if you are able to recognize certain factors within your field, and it's testing your knowledge on what you know about your business market. The business environment can include changes in the population, your interest rates for certain areas of your business, what the market is like, particularly global and local influences on your business market, your competition, all types of environmental factors that you're going to have to detail. Now, for example, if you are getting into a hair salon business, or you're going to be doing hair as a loctician, a barber, what have you, you're going to have to know what your environment is like. How many barbershops or hair salons are in your area? What is the demographic need for that? Is there a significant increase or decrease in the area where you want to put this business up? If you're opening a wing factory, or if you are trying to open a marijuana shop in the states that it's legal in, you want to make sure that you have all the local and legal aspects of your business taken care of as well. What type of permits are you going to be in? Everything that you would think that a potential lender would need to know should go in this section. You're going to take a good amount of time on this. This should be about a page worth of information that you're putting together for just the business environment that you're getting into. Allude to what type of impact you think you can bring to this area, to this environment that would help, and that would also be profitable in the long run. Do not skimp on details in this section. This is probably the best area to demonstrate where you are going to fit in and how you're going to bring added value to this market.